we have a car to play with overnight, and it's a brand that I absolutely love. Now, you think, okay, Mark's Reviews and Tutorials, he's all about BMWs, but this car, if you look underneath it, under here, you'll actually see that this is under the back of the car. There's the exhaust pipe right there, and under the back of the car, this is actually a front wheel drive. Have a look at that. There's no drive shaft going to those back wheels, so this is a front wheel drive car. Now, all BMWs are front wheel drive, aren't they? So what is this thing with the sporty pipes and fancy wheels that really look the part? Ooh, a little glimpse of something then. And yeah, hello. What's that? And what's that? We've actually got ourselves here a 2 Series BMW. It looks the part. It really looks good. I love the styling at the front. But from the side, she's sort of a bit like a bus. Sort of looks to me to be aimed at that mum picking up the kids from school type of market. Really sporty. Love the wheels. Love the twin pipes. But to drive, it just doesn't. I'm sorry, it just doesn't feel like a BMW. I've just been for a short little drive. We've just got this car overnight. Looks fantastic inside. Have a look at all of the instruments. The dash is really cool. It's got a proximity key, so you can turn it on, start him up. It's got the latest iDrive. Just close the door so no one takes it off. And the screen is really cool. If I put it in reverse, really clear picture out the back there. And as you turn the wheel, the little lines show where you're going to go. But yeah, as I drove it, and my wife's been driving this all day, as I drove it, it just felt very, very detached from the road. And again, my wife drives a 10-year-old 5 Series station wagon. Kill that radio. It drives a bit like a limo. It's a lot softer. I drive a 10-year-old 1 Series, and it's like a little racing car. Really tight suspension, heavy-ish steering, and really quite tight. And the 5 Series, much more like a limo. The 5 Series station wagon is actually on a 7 Series chassis, so it's a great big limo of a car. She loves it. Light steering, but for me it's not BMW enough. I prefer a 3 Series or a 1 Series, something small and sporty. And this, sadly, it just felt detached from the road. As you were driving, you felt up and very detached from the road. A BMW's got a lot about road feel. Have a look, I'll put a link up here to a video I put up as to what road feel is. But this just felt very, very detached. Lovely car, heap of room in the back, big back seats, lots of leg room there for the kids. You could easily get adults in there, no stress at all. I'll go and pop the back as I waffle on. Down here in the door pocket is the boot release. Oh, look at that, it's even popped open a bit. Is that electric? I think I hit it twice. Go up. There it goes. So there's a good bit of room in the back there, so far as space is concerned. I'll take these down. Those catches are exactly the same as on my 10-year-old 1 Series. But you see in here, there's good room inside there, good cabin space, easily sits 5. But the drive, I mean, this is a front wheel drive. It's a 2-litre turbo. I'm yet to investigate just exactly whether it's a BMW engine or not, because it's transverse. It's sitting in the position for a front wheel drive, obviously. And here, yeah, BMW twin turbo power. So it's 2 turbos. There is no lag on the turbo. You don't notice, there's no kick, but all modern cars are like that now. that engine, clearly, that's the back or the front or the side, whatever you want to call it. She's sitting, all BMWs sit their engine this way, V8s, 4 cylinders, 6 cylinders, everything. This one, transverse, the engine is around that way. I've been doing spray painting today, don't worry, I'm not queer, don't have fingernail polish on. So that it drives, and the transmission is all under the front here. So I wonder how they've gone with 50-50 weight distribution when they've got the transmission, the engine, the whole lot here, if they've even bothered with this front wheel drive car. But it looks like they're really headed to making something a lot more commuter around the city, but distinctly to drive, distinctly less BMW. So let me show you the badge. It's a 220, I believe. This 2-litre turbo. Put the hatchback down. Yeah, 220i, and it is a BMW. But as I showed you underneath, she's a front-wheel drive, and yeah, built for a different market. I wouldn't buy one after driving it. The reason I haven't drive BMWs is for the fun, for the sport, for the flat handling, for the 50-50 weight distribution. It's got plenty of power, but it's just straight line power. It feels like a Toyota or a Hyundai, to be quite honest. And that's just not what I would buy a BMW for. So badge appeal, sure, but actual handling, rear-wheel drive sports car, throw it through the corners, not so much.